Chapter 1: Genealogical Structure, the Kinship System. A. Kinship. Limbong, Sagala, and Malaw. The three younger sons, CPE 6, Limbong Mulana, Sagala Raja, and Malaw Raja, became the ancestors of the Marga Limbong, Sagala, and Malaw. In size and importance, these three Marga are far behind those that sprang from the second son, as well as those which belong to the Sumba moiety. The area in which these three Marga live is limited to the immediate environs of Cianjur Mula Mula. Limbong inhabits a territory to the south of the ridge that connects Mount Pusubrit with the tableland, and Sagala lives in one to the north of it. Malaw has spread over some territories round about Pangurugan. However, neither all the parts of Limbong nor all those of Sagala remain together in the territories just mentioned. In olden times, immigrants from the one Marga as well as the other went to Parbuluan, the Pakpak region, and the Karo country, where they formed their own Marga, to which they either gave new names or names recalling the originals. Here and there, one also finds very small groups of Limbong and Sagala dwelling in the territory of another Marga. Sagala even in the Sipirok area. Of the many Marga branches that are also found with Limbong and Sagala, only one of the former has become known in the Toba Batak country as a Marga under a name of its own. This is the Marga Habiahan. The Marga Malaw is one of the few genealogical units of some extent in the Toba Batak country that has not acquired its own well-rounded region core, where a great part of it has stayed together. The oldest part of the Marga that stemming from Pasir Raja and still called Malaw has become the main and firm associate of the Marga Simbolon and Sitanggang, which, with Saragi, occupy the territories in the northwest corner of Samosir. The other parts, from a different model, have formed the Marga Marik and Barita and Kuning, which have spread in small groups on and around Samosir. On the east coast of Sumatra, Malaw under the name Namanik is the ruling Marga in the self-governing Sianta territory. The second son of Guru Tatiabulan Seribu Raja has become the ancestor of the two great groups within the Limbong moiety, the Lotung Marga proper and the Baba complex.